All right, guys, you're all welcome. This continuation of the physics assignment that was given to you guys. I saw some on my YouTube channel already, but I didn't finish it. I think I solved number. I think I solved number 4 or so. I solved number 4. I solved parts of whether number 3 or so or number 2. I don't remember. I don't quite remember the numbering, but this is number 3. Physics assignment number 3. They say a particle in motion has a trajectory of the form r equals ix squared plus jy raised to power 3 plus kz. If x equals to 3t minus 4t squared, y equals to 6t squared plus t raised to power 3, and z equals to 6 plus 2t. Determine the position vector, speed, and acceleration of the particle after 2 seconds and also after 2 minutes. Now in the solutions, what we are going to do, this r represents displacement. And luckily for us, they're giving us what x means. They give us what x means. They give us what y means, and they give us what z means. X is 3t minus 4t squared. Y is 6t squared plus t raised to power 3. And z is 6 plus 2t. So we're going to substitute for x as 3t minus 4t squared, y as 6t raised to power 2 plus t raised to power 3, and z as 6 plus 2t. So we're going to substitute x as this, y as this, and z as this. And that's what I did in the solution. Watch. You see r, right? R equals to I, instead of ix squared, is now I, what's x? 3t minus 4t squared. So I put 3t minus 4t squared, all squared, because x is all squared, plus j. If you look at the main question, j is jy raised to power 3. And what's y? 6t squared plus t raised to power 3, right? So I came here and replaced, instead of jy raised to power 3, I put j, who is y? 6t squared plus t raised to power 3 raised to power 3. And instead of kz, z is what? 6 plus 2t. So instead of kz, I put k 6 plus 2t. And at t equals to 2 seconds. So this r represents position already. But the question is to determine the position vector, speed, and acceleration. I've taught this. If you watch my video on chapter 2 on kinematics, this is a displacement equation or a position equation. Another name for position means displacement. So this is already a displacement or position equation. I just need to replace my x, y, and z, which I did. And at t equals to 2 seconds, and I replace t. Anywhere I see t, I put 2 seconds. And after solving everything, I got my position, expand the bracket where necessary. I will have 100i here. I have 32768j and plus 10k. So I said, therefore, my position at t equals 2 seconds becomes 100 on the x-axis, 32768 on the y-axis, and 10 on the z-axis. This is the answer to this position vector after 2 seconds. Class, we'll now do the same thing at t equals 2 minutes. Because we're going to say at 2 seconds and 2 minutes. At t equals 2 minutes, we'll convert minutes to seconds, which is 120 seconds. So we'll repeat again. Don't forget that the main question is r equals ix squared plus jy raised to power 3 plus kz. We replace x here, we replace y here, and we replace z here, right? So what we'll do at 120 seconds, the same thing. We'll take this same expression after replacing x, y, and z, and then replace t as 120 seconds instead of 2 seconds. Here we replace t as 2 seconds, remember. Here at 120 seconds, you do everything. It's quite long. I don't want to waste your time. And then you arrive at this answer here. So this is how I solved question 3a, because I know if I solve this and I just post the answer, some of you will be lost. So I decided to show you how I did it. All right, expect more videos like this.